Okay guys, for this tutorial we're going to be working on aspect ratio. What I've done is go to File, New, Legacy Title, and this is the window you should see or something like this. We're going to be putting in what's called a letterbox. So name your new text box, your new legacy title, letterbox. We're going to grab our square tool and we are going to make sure the fill is black. We're going to click and, oh, you're going to mess everything up again. We're going to click and drag and go right to that line there. We want it to go across. It's okay if it goes off the screen. We just want it to be right there. And that's what the first one looks like. Now we're going to get our selection tool up here. Click back on the box. Command C, Command V. Click off of the box to deselect, because when it copies and pastes, you actually have both selected. Click that one, and we're going to just drag that one down. And you'll see we want it to line up right on that line. You can use your arrow tools to nudge it down. Same thing with up here if it's off just a little bit. All right, so now we have black bars going across the top and bottom. But again, that's nowhere yet. So we got to close this, go to our project, and find our letterbox text that we just made. Drag this onto a layer on your timeline, the top layer, and you're just going to drag that out for the whole length of your movie. And you'll see it puts the black bars on the top and bottom and gives it more of a cinematic feel. And that is how we are going to do aspect ratio for this project.